In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Namecheap hosting SEO access quickly and safely. If you no longer need a hosting plan, or you want to stop the service and make sure everything is properly cancelled, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. It's simple, but it's important to follow each step carefully so you don't miss anything. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account. Open your browser, go to Namecheap, and sign in with the email and password associated with your account. Once you're inside, you'll be taken to your account dashboard where you can manage all of your Namecheap services. Next, look for the hosting list section. This is where Namecheap keeps all of your active hosting plans in one place. If you have more than one service, make sure you choose the correct hosting plan before moving forward. Take a moment here to double check so you don't cancel the wrong plan by mistake. After that, click Manage next to the hosting plan you want to withdraw from. This will open the settings and options for that specific hosting service. From here, you'll be able to control the subscription, review the details, and access the cancellation option. Now click Cancel Service. Namecheap will usually bring up a confirmation screen to make sure you really want to proceed. This is your chance to review the decision one more time before anything is finalized. If you're sure you want to end the hosting plan, continue to the next step. Then confirm that you want to cancel the hosting. Read the prompt carefully and select the confirmation option. Depending on the account settings, Namecheap may ask you for one final confirmation before completing the cancellation. Once you approve it, the hosting service will be marked for cancellation according to their process. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn from Namecheap hosting access. The process is straightforward, but it's always smart to make sure you've backed up any important website files, emails, or database data before cancelling a hosting plan. That way, you don't lose anything important after the service is removed. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.